Good afternoon, my name is Paulina Ortiz and this is my classmate Jorge Rocha.
And now we are going to talk about a paper called Phonetics and Technology in the Classroom. Okay, Phonetics and Technology in the Classroom, a practical approach to using speech analysis software in second language pronunciation instruction, shows that the study of pronunciation in second language acquisition has been marginalized because of a lack of practical pedagogical methods. The only studies that exist related to pronunciation are for advanced learners. As a consequence, beginners learners don't have a good pronunciation. Besides, there is a lack of information of speech analysis technology. This paper, in order to solve this problem, shows the level of pronunciation instruction in the lower level language classroom. Moreover, it shows the chain reaction to the use of a software which can help them with pronunciation.
The objectives for this paper are create a picture of phonetic instruction at lower levels of language, address the lack of practical implementation by presenting the software called PRAT, and students demonstrate that the software PRAT is beneficial and usable. Pronunciation instruction. In this part of the paper, some authors said that pronunciation is one of the most important aspects at the moment of learning a second language. It is said that there is a gap between laboratory research and implementation in L2 classrooms. There is a lack of emphasis on pronunciation pedagogy, and some authors said that phonetic instruction can assist learners to improve their L2 pronunciation.
Pronunciation in the introductory level classroom. The first point is the time spent on pronunciation. According to a survey which was applied to 30 language instructors, it says that instructors spend approximately 8 minutes teaching pronunciation per week. Another important point are methods used to teach pronunciation. There are explicitly via pronunciation lessons, feedback, student self-monitoring, student other monitoring, and other.
Part of the paper, it is explained what PRAT is. It is a software that provides a visual representation of the speech sounds, allows a self-analysis to students so they can compare their own production with native speakers' production. Assessing the accessibility. In this part of the paper, a group of people made a survey to demonstrate whether the software may be too sophisticated or complicated for L2 learners. The results were unexpected. Far from being intimidated by the software, all the L2 students who responded to the survey were fully capable of download, recording themselves, and self-analyzed using PRAT. Students said that this type of activity represents a unique and useful method for analyzing their own pronunciation.
Discussion. The first aim in this paper was to provide a general picture of the state of pronunciation teaching in the lower level university language classroom. The survey's results show us that most instructors that made the survey deal with pronunciation in an ad hoc manner. Moreover, it shows us that speech analysis technology are entirely absent. Finally, it shows us that the system makes instructors responsible of teaching pronunciation, while the students are capable to learn pronunciation by themselves, using a helpful pronunciation software.
Finally, in this part of the paper, the aim of this work was to present a possible pedagogical implementation for the speech analysis software and demonstrate that the software can be accessible to beginners levels.